What'd you say?
I really say kennel and hop on over here, man.
Let's go, everybody. Let's go.
What's happening?
Down like this, front row. Back row, maybe
Oh shit.
maybe spread out. Back row, you guys are sad.
I'll be right there.
Sorry, excuse me.
So, okay, come on, everybody.
Move. I'm gonna come up through right.
Oh, we holding our dogs?
Check. Yeah, no gang signs. Oh, peace sign. Peace signs only. Peace sign, the heart. David, my DJ guy. Where's the heart? We need the heart. Come over here, man. Everybody, hey, just come in. Don't be shy. You ain't gonna be shy. You gonna be in it, man. Just come in. You ain't gotta own a dog. It's the moment in time. Just come in and take it. Yeah, you guys want to bring the kids, the dogs, whatever. Come right in. We're gonna somehow squeeze this in. Right here in the center, right there, yo. Yeah, this is a big fan, man. I love it.